Yo, what's up everyone? It's your boy Looney back with another quick trading lesson. Today I'm breaking down how I choose the stocks I sell cash secured puts on. A strategy that lets you collect premium upfront and potentially buy stocks at a discount. Let's jump in. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to check out my Discord. I have a free version where we chat about strategies and other different chats, and then I also have a premium version with trade alerts, there's coaching, and more. The links will be in the description. Check them out. All right, so let's talk about the stocks that I sell puts on. And that is Riot, Mara, and NIO. NIO is not on this list right now because I just expired one. But here's why they're my favorites. And number one is high implied volatility. I love stocks with high IV because their option premiums are juicy. Take Riot, for example. It's tied to crypto, so its price fluctuates a lot, but it doesn't usually make extreme, unpredictable moves. High IV equals more premium in my pocket. If we just look at one of these, this sell call, IV is up 100%. Let's actually do one that's out of the money. I'm sorry. This one's 115, even still, 115%. That's really high. Step two is understanding stock behavior. I focus on stocks I know well. I've been studying Riot and Mara. They move with Bitcoin. So they're somewhat predictable since I follow the crypto markets. As you can see, I'm pretty heavily involved in crypto, up 100% or 6,000 with Doge being my highest gainer. And then number two is NIO. It's an EV stock. It's volatile, but I like the long-term growth story. It stays between that $5 to $7. It does fluctuate different from that. Sometimes maybe more like $4 to $10, but I'm comfortable being in that price range. And I think it's going to blow past the usual. If we just look at the 1 year, at one point, it was up to that $9. Even more recently, it was up to $7. So I like selling puts on this one, especially at a cheap price like I have right now, $4.50. Number three is strike price discipline. I always pick strike prices I'm comfortable with. So, for example, with NIO, I'm happy to sell the shares at a profit. So anything that's higher than my cost basis, like 5.5, I'm perfectly fine with selling those shares. So what to avoid? And that's stocks with low IV. The premiums aren't really worth your time. Let me see if I could find one. I think it is, let's see. What's one that doesn't change? I might not have a good example on hand right now. Maybe Ford on the year. This one actually, wait. I don't think I have the right stock. I was looking for Ford Motor, sorry. Okay, so this one doesn't really fluctuate too much. So the premiums aren't that high. If we just go out to one, sell put, and we go to $10, the premium or the IV actually is pretty low, 30%. That's, I'd say low to medium, but it's on the lower end. So the next one is companies with bad fundamentals. If I wouldn't hold the stock, I'm not selling puts on it. So like something like SMCI, which you might actually get high premiums on. Let's just go to one and find one that's kind of, so yeah, this one's pretty good. It is 100% IV and the premium's almost $200, but I'm not comfortable owning this stock. I think there's way better options. Sure, you can capitalize on some plays, but overall, this is a stock I'm staying away from in the short term and long term. There's better options out there. So that's my process for picking stocks to sell cash secured puts on. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite stock to sell options on. And don't forget, join my Discord for tips, trade ideas, and one-on-one coaching. Links in the description. Until next time, stay disciplined, stay patient, and keep stacking those wins. Peace.